Welcome to Taste of Home, where we are bridging the gap between suburban life in South Africa and our dreams of a rural homestead in Zimbabwe. Today, we are sharing our vegetable garden journey from empty beds to abundant harvests. For our family, growing food isn't just about saving money or eating healthier, though those are wonderful benefits. It's about reclaiming knowledge that connects us to our heritage, building skills for our future homestead, and teaching our children the value of self-reliance.
Let's go now. You scratched it. Well done.
Well done.
Bye, cow.
Bye. Bye, cows. See you in the next menu.
Well done.
Of course, when you grow food, you invite nature to your doorstep. Sometimes as friends, sometimes as competitors. These local parrots became regular visitors, forcing us to adapt our growing methods. These beds represent the foundation of our suburban homesteading journey, a test of the life we are building towards right here in our backyard. Let's show you how it all unfolds. Every successful garden begins with preparation. The soil is your foundation. We've learned that investing time here pays dividends throughout the growing season. We mix our own compost with well-aged manure to create living soil that nourishes our plants naturally. One of the greatest joy of gardening is involving our children in the process. Our daughter loves to help plant seeds and watch them grow. These moments teach patience, responsibility, and the miracle of growing food. Lessons that will serve her well whether we are in suburban South Africa or eventually at our rural homestead in Zimbabwe. We start many vegetables from seed, giving us variety than what's available at the local nurseries. It also connects us to the full cycle of food production, something that's been largely lost in modern life but remains central to our homesteading vision. Transplanting day is always exciting. It's when our garden truly begins to take shape. We carefully space our seedlings to give them room to thrive while maximizing our limited suburban space. Watching vegetable grow day by day is miraculous. These cabbages started as tiny seedlings and gradually unfurled into magnificent heads. The transformation reminds us that good things take time, an important lesson in our instant gratification world. Our first season taught us that we weren't the only ones excited about our vegetables. Local birds saw our garden as a free buffet. Installing this bird netting was a game changer, problem solving and adapting our essential skills for any homesteader.
Still trying to get in.
These beautiful parrots have become regular visitors. While we love sharing our space with wildlife, we've had to find the balance between welcoming nature and protecting our food supply. a delicate dance that all farmers understand. One of the joys of gardening is the surprises it brings. This carrot was hiding beneath the soil. We almost missed it thinking it was just another weed. It's a reminder that sometimes our greatest harvests are the ones we weren't expecting.
Just go give it to my kids. Let's see the reaction. Who wants a carrot? Look how big it is. It's big.
Oh, no, actually very big.
The productivity of even a small suburban garden can be astounding. These peppers grew larger than anything we found in stores, and the flavor is incomparable. When you grow your own food, you discover what vegetables are supposed to taste like.
Okay, let's take out this and see what's nuts. Okay, so how do you even detach this? Oh, that is simple. I didn't put any effort. Okay.
This mustard spinach leaf was bigger than my face. It's moments like these that make all the work worthwhile, showing us the abundance possible even in a small space. We often joke that if we can grow leaves this size in our suburban garden, imagine what we'll be able to do on our future homestead. There is nothing quite like the satisfaction of harvesting food you've grown yourself. The first tomato marked a significant milestone in our homesteading journey, small in size but enormous in meaning. It proved that we could do this, that our dream of self-sufficiency wasn't just talk. Mustard greens have become a staple in our garden, hardy, productive, and delicious. Growing native African vegetables help us maintain our cultural food traditions even while in the suburbs. These greens connect us to our roots and our future homestead plans.
So the reason why I'm taking out is it helps it to grow bigger. See this one was very small. Now the leaves are big. And yeah, it's a really nice vegetable to have with your meat. Mix it with meat, it's nice. It's true. This one, when they come next to it, it's gonna be big.
This cabbage was a triumph. From tiny seedling to this enormous head, it's amazing what dedication and good soil can produce. When you grow a vegetable this size in your backyard, you start to realize how much food production is possible in small spaces. Each successful harvest builds our confidence and expands our vision of what's possible.
See the shoots on the joints. Yes, that's one. So I was supposed to wait for until right after brown mashisha. This is the best we've had so far.
The true rewards of garden to table living is turning your harvest into nourishing meals for your family. Each vegetable represents not just food, our suburban garden is more than just a source of food, it's training ground for the skills we'll need for our future rural homestead in Zimbabwe. It's where we are teaching our children about self-reliance and connection to the land. It's where we are proving that homesteading isn't just a distant dream, it's something we can begin right here, right now. Whether you have acres of land or just a small backyard, you can start your own homesteading journey today. Every vegetable you grow is a step towards self-sufficiency and deep connection to your food.
We've got some cabbages over here. It's a new bed. So just see how this one goes. So we had some tomatoes. You see they're now fruiting. Pretty good. They survived winter. Thought they were gonna die. Got some fruits. Okay, and then we have a couple more cabbages over here. And we've got a new set of tomatoes that have just been planted today. So wanna see how this goes.
Our cabbage is ready. That's the first cabbage we had in this garden. We're gonna have a nice salad.
Thank you for joining us on our journey from seed to harvest. We'd love to hear about your garden experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this glimpse into our suburban homesteading life, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until then, happy growing from Taste of Home.